all these AI videos was created without using King AI or any paid AI tools. So many we are finding it difficult to create all these videos because all you can see was a paid app. But today I'm going to show you how you can create your viral AI dancing baby video just for free with a free tools. I'll be doing this step by step, so don't miss any part. Step 1, generate your image. There are two ways you can generate your image. The first one, which is the easiest for me, is to go to Pinterest and type the kind of image that you wanted, the type of image that you wanted to use. So here I type picture of a baby, but I scroll and see that this is not what I wanted. So I changed it to toddler pictures and find this beautiful girl. So I downloaded the image. But if you don't want to use Pinterest or you wanted a particular outfit, you can just go to TikTok and type dancing challenge or dance. I just saw our beautiful Ketensha. So you just pick any video that you wanted. I'll be using this Ketensha video. Just look for any video that you like the outfit or you like the dancing step and just screenshot it. Then download the video. Click on share and then click on download. You download the video. If you didn't see this download button, you can just copy the link and then head over to Chrome and use the downloader there to download the image. So after downloading it, then we head over to the second step. So head over to Gemini AI and upload your image, any of the image, whether the one you created, you downloaded from Pinterest or the one that you got from TikTok. So download the image, upload the image on Gemini AI and tell Gemini to create a 3D animated baby using this image. Just write it like this, don't add, don't remove. So after writing it, you wait for it to generate the image. So this is the image is generated with the picture we downloaded from Pinterest, and this is the image it generated from our picture from TikTok. So all you have to do is to download your image. Then we head over to step 3. To mimic the video that you downloaded, just head over to CapCut, upload the video, and then look for this AI avatar and tap on mimic motion. Please, if you are not seeing this in your CapCut, just go to your Play Store or your Apple Store and update your CapCut. Here you upload your image and then upload the 3D animated image that you got from Gemini. You upload it here. Wait for it to come up to upload. Then upload the video of the dancer that you wanted. So before I forget, know that your video should not exceed 10 seconds. So all you have to do is to reduce the video that you downloaded from TikTok to 10 seconds or 9 to 10 seconds so that it can be able to upload on CapCut. CapCut does not allow a video that exceed 9 to 10 seconds. So all I have to do is to go back to my phone, reduce the video to 10 seconds, then come back to CapCut and then upload it. So after uploading it, you just wait for it. Okay, you go down here and then click on generate. You wait for it to generate. So as you can see on CapCut, you know that you can only use this for free, like on free trial. They only give you one chance to use this particular mimic motion on free trial. But if you still want to use it, all you have to do is to have so many Gmail that you can add up on your CapCut. Change your Gmail so that you can always have a free trial to generate your videos. So this is it. After everything, you just wait for your video to generate. This is our video. So if you like this video, please click on the subscribe button and turn the bell icon to be notified anytime I post a new video. See you on my next one.